One of the most common uses for a chainsaw is to remove a tree from the ground, and there are many factors that influence exactly how it's done. A falling tree can seriously damage anything it may hit, including cars, houses, fences, power lines, or even another tree. So first decide where you want the tree to fall and cut it appropriately. Before cutting, clear the area around the tree. You will need good footing while working, and you should be able to work the saw without hitting any obstacles. Next, select a path of retreat. When the tree begins to fall, retreat at a 45-degree angle from the direction of the fall. Move at least 10 feet from the trunk. The first cut is a notch cut made on the side of the tree to which it will fall. The tree will fall into this notch after the felling cut is made. Cutting at a diagonal, cut the top notch about a third of the way through the tree. Cut the bottom of the notch meeting the ending point of the first cut. Remove the cut material from the tree. Make the felling cut on the opposite side of the notch cut, starting about 2 inches above where the two notch cuts meet. Make a straight cut into the tree, but do not cut all the way through to the notch. This will create a hinge on which the tree will fall in the direction of the notch cut. As the tree begins to fall, switch off the saw's ignition and lay it on the ground, making your retreat quickly. With the tree safely on the ground in the intended direction, you can proceed with cutting off the limbs and bucking the logs.